Hello, welcome to another class arena video tutorials on PHP. Today we'll be taking you PHP syntax, basic syntax. Okay, before we go further, I would like you to take note of this semicolon. At the end of each of your statement, it's a must that you put semicolon to terminate the line of code in order to avoid any error. Alright, so we start from here. We start with the PHP script. PHP script houses every other PHP code. As you can see here, PHP script starts with the open tag, question mark PHP, and ends with question mark, then the close tag. This is an example. As you can see, in this area, your PHP goes right here. Alright? So, we have already talked about this, but we can still emphasize on it. The default file extension for PHP files is .php. Just like in HTML, you put .html, and CSS goes with .css. Alright? And let's take a look at this example. This is a very good example of a PHP file or PHP code. You can say it. We said echo hello world, and then we terminate. It's being terminated at the end of the line, or at the end of the statement with a semicolon. It's straightforward, simple as that. So let's go to the next thing on board. We have comments in PHP. Okay, a comment in PHP is a line that is not read or executed as part of the program. Its only purpose is to be read by someone who is looking at the code. Okay, comments can be used to let others understand what you are doing. Remind yourself of what you did. Most programmers have experienced coming back to their own work a year or two later and having to figure out what they did. Comments can remind you of what you were thinking when you wrote the code. Okay? PHP supports several ways of commenting, so let's take a look at that. Then we have the double forward slash, which is used for a single line comment. And then we have the asterisk, we have the hashtag, which is also used as a single line comment. And then here we have the single slash, forward slash, with the asterisk, and then we drop whatsoever we want to comment in between the two tags here. As you can see, this is the beginning with this forward slash, asterisk, and then end with asterisk, then the forward slash. So this is for multiple line comments. And we can also use the multiple line comments to leave out part of our code. Okay, just like this example here. You can say we define a variable x and then assign 5 plus 15 plus 5. But then it's okay, we no longer want to use plus 5, so we can see we now commented plus 15. So at the end of the day, we have echo 5, which will now plus 5 plus 5, and then the result will be 10. Okay, very simple like that. We are using the multiple line comment because we are starting somewhere and then we want to end it somewhere. Alright, so that's that. Let's go ahead and see the next lesson. PHP case sensitivity. In PHP, all keywords such as if, else, while, echo, and etc. classes, functions, and user-defined functions are not case sensitive. That is, we can use the if as capital IF the else, capital E-L-S-E, and so forth. Let's take a look at this example. In the example below, all three echo statements below are legal and equal. Just like as we say, echo with capital will give us the same output. Echo with small letter will give us the same output, and echo with toggle case will also give us the same output. Simple as that. You can just copy the script part and then put it in your code and say how it will work. However, all variable names are case sensitive. Yes, variables are case sensitive. The next lecture will be talking more about variables. So, but for now, just be calm and then understand this particular video. In the example below, only the first statement will display the value of the color variable. This is because color variable with capital letter and color variable with double case are treated as three different variables. Okay, this is an example. As you can see in this script here, we define a variable color, a small letter, or then assign the color red to it. And then in this display here, we say echo my car is this color, and then here my car is this color, and this one my car is this color. At the end of the day, you see that the first one will be printed because we have the color variable and we define a value, we assign a red value to it. Alright? So, but this other two will not be printed because this color variable is not defined nor assigned. So the same goes to this toggle case here. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.